What's up, guys? Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the latest Hot Wheels Elite 64 drop. It is the Porsche 911 GT2 Evo 993, number 23, and yeah, this has been a highly anticipated Elite 64 drop. Probably the most anticipated Elite 64 release just ever. It sold out in 5 minutes. It did not last long, and usually Elite 64 models at least sit for a little bit. This was gone in a flash. This is the third recolor we have seen for Elite 64. Oh, recolor. I guess technically this and the first edition are the same color, but we have so far gotten recolors of the Liberty Walk Aventador. This was the first version that came out in 2023 in this nice blue color. And then we got the matte green one this year, which looks very nice. I do quite like it. I like the carbon fiber looking hood. And then just recently, I think last month, we got the 300 SL. This one came out in 2023, I believe, in gray. Technically, this is the second version of this casting, I believe. It was originally made for like a special 1 of 50 IWC release, but that's the first like mass-produced version. The IWC one was, I think, only 50 units. And then we had this incredible Zamac 300 SL. This thing looks really awesome in a brushed metal look. And now we have the Porsche. This Porsche was very popular. They revealed this casting as a part of Mattel Creations Revealed. Last year in 2025, this Porsche with the Advan Deco looks very nice. A lot of people loved it a lot. It was a surprise drop. We didn't really know it was coming, and it dropped, and it was amazing. And we have the second version, which has released to much fanfare. Guess what? I'm opening it. I don't know what these are reselling for on eBay. I could care less. With Elite 64, they make so many of them, I just opened them. But I was surprised this sold out as fast as it did because, like I said, usually with Elite 64, they make a lot of them. So here it is. This is the second release. So same wheels as the first release. Very interesting, though. This one has Advan, Yokohama Advan printing on the tire. This one, oh, there you go. This one has Michelin because it has Michelin sponsors on it. Michelin and Bilstein there. So this is a Gran Turismo PlayStation livery. You have PlayStation there on the side. Porsche badge, number 97. Of the light blue and yellow lines there. It also is blue in the back, and then it goes to red here in the front. The PlayStation colors. So you get red on the front splitter, and then the yellow, and then kind of the lime minty green, and then blue, not a lime, it's like a minty green. You have the back, Bilstein and Michelin deco there, Gran Turismo on the back. The tail light is an inserted piece. The exhaust are part of this bottom piece, which is a separate piece. You have a gray base, more part separation there. The mirrors, I think, are a separate piece. Yes, they are. They actually have silver printing on the inside of them, if you can see that. Interior actually has some detail. The seat is a separate color. The roll cage is white. You can see some, what are those? Is those fire extinguishers or nitrous bottles? What are they? They're that. There's the shifter printed in. You got the steering wheel in there. Actually got some interior in there, and I'm trying to show it all off. It's a bit hard. You have the triangles, circles, X's, and squares, which are the buttons on the PlayStation controller. They're on the wing with a teal, and you have Porsche on the windshield in red, the white lettering, number 97 again. Big PlayStation livery or logo on the hood. Hood pins are tampoed in. Number 97 appears again right there. Headlights are on this. They're an insert piece, and they're actually just normal clear this time. On the first version, they were yellow. And also the reflectors here, they're actually yellow. This time they are just orange. The reflectors are also there, a separate piece. Michelin there on the front, PlayStation colors there on the front again as well. This is outstanding. I really love this. I mean, this is, I think, the Elite 6.4 casting that got people into Elite 6.4. I think it really breathed some life into the line. I think before, the line didn't really know what it wanted to do. And this model is amazing. Got a little PlayStation logo there on the side of the wing, spoiler, and then the Gran Turismo logo is there on the side again. What a pair. We started off with the Advan, and then we get the PlayStation. Just amazing. Amazing pair. And they're highly detailed, really nice decos. And this is really nice. I actually think I like this one more than the Advan one just because it's a PlayStation deco. It looks so nice. And yeah, were you able to snag one? Because this went fast. I was actually surprised at how fast this went. And I actually had to be there on sale day to buy it because, of course, it's not an RLC, so no overdrive applies to this. I actually had to physically sit on the site, and I didn't have any problems. I was in and out in like less than a minute, I think. So, this thing's nice. I love it. Really, really, really nice model. And, yeah, that is the PlayStation livery Porsche 911 GT2 Evo 993, and full legal name there. Yeah, really nice. You have a nice kind of trend of recolors going. There are more recolors coming. I think the Pandem, is it a 280Z, 240Z? I don't remember. That's getting a recolor in red sometime this year, and there are some other really cool Elite 6.4 stuff coming that I am excited to get. And yeah, these Porsches are amazing. I love them. And yeah, that's the video. Really nice Elite 6.4 release. I dig that a lot.